horse, nigga. I'm already crowned.
That's right?
That's it.
Alright, bet.
Alright, go.
1,000 horsepower. Damn, this is loud, bro.
But this is nothing. This is on the slow tune.
On the slow tune.
0 PSI time.
0 PSI.
0 John at 50 time.
Crazy, right?
Like it takes a brick to hit boost time.
Bro, is it in track?
Yeah, I told Rob Shoemaker, I was like, nigga, tune this joint, like, nigga, so I can like daily drive it. My girl can drive it time.
Hell yeah.
Drive no time.
Damn.
Still flex, bro.
God, this shit, the turbo is something crazy.
God damn.
This show's so crazy.
Motherfucker go. Look, I ain't fucking playing with you, dog. Hey, this shit is fucking crazy.
Yo, we probably brought the best, bro.
I thought that motherfucker was in the air. It was like this, dog. Ah! I was looking straight up. I swear to God.
God.
That motherfucker